Alright, good afternoon or good afternoon. You welcome back to CorelDraw class. And last time we had seen lesson 2, and today we shall see lesson 3, where we shall be studying the pick tool, the shape layout tool, and we are also going to be designing a letterhead using the logo we have already created in the last video. Alongside, we'll be using we shall be using this CorelDraw tutorial, Corel 15 tutorial. Not this really. The Corel 15 tutorial shall be used. For us to understand what really the tools of CorelDraw are for, we shall be using this material, since it has been fully explained by the company itself, CorelDraw, or some of its representatives. Okay, so today we shall pick on 2 of the tools here, the pick tool and the shape tool. Then later we create our letterheads. Here, the pick tool, as it is said here, it lets you select and resize. Select, resize, skew, and rotate. You select an object, you resize it, and skew it and resize. This is the logo we have created the other time. Let's practice this. For you to practice the pick tool, you need to have an object on the screen. Let me pick from, say, let me pick from these basic shape tools. This is, sorry, let me pick from something here, basic shape tools. This is a rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, right? Right angle triangle, thank you. Right angle triangle. This is angle 90, is it? Angle 90 of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, if you have an isosceles triangle and you dissect it by the center of it, if you divide it into 2, it gives you right angle. So what is said is that this tool is used to what? To select and resize. What is selection? Selection means clicking on the object. If you click like this, you've selected it. Because by the time, it's only when you select it that you can apply some changes, modifications, and transformations, resizing, skewness on the object. Alright? So, for example, if the object is like this and you click on a color, it does nothing. It tells you uniform color, changing full color is this whatever, some kind of things. It's telling you haven't selected. But when you select an object and you click on can you see you've given it a color? So transformation only occur when you select. This is selection. The next thing they talk about what? The next thing is what? Resizing. What is resizing? Resizing means changing the size of the object. Okay, let me duplicate this object so we can understand the resizing, giving it a different size. When you right click and you drag and you drop, it gives you this shortcut menu. Then if you want to move it, you click on this, it moves there. But if you want to copy it, you do this, and then you do what? You copy here. If you want to do roll add to roll over. Anyway, let's do this first. I don't want to digress. So this now, if I want to resize, can you see some bounding boxes here? Huh?
Yeah.
You've seen it, right? So when you hover your mouse, meaning when you move your mouse across one of them, please understand something here. When you want to resize, you resize from the edge, either here or here or here or here. But if you tend to resize from here, the middle of the bounding boxes, then you're not going to do what we call a proportional resizing. Look at what I'm saying. Can you see what I've done? It wasn't resized proportionally. Okay? Or if you do this, can you see? It has changed the shape of the object. But if you want to resize it proportionally, you hold this. Once you hold, you see it gives you a bidirectional arrow, right? Is it not? Then you can resize it. Are we there?
Yeah.
Yes, that is resizing. But actually, the professional resizing, you don't resize just like that. What you do, let's first of all give this page a unit, centimeter. If you click, you see from the properties bar here, we have a kind of some properties regarding the size. Okay, and the size here talks about, we have two sizes. We have the x-axis and the y-axis. As you can see, we have two sizes here, x and y-axis. If for example you want to resize to a particular size proportionally, you hold this and then you begin to resize. Can you see some changes on the things here? All right, we'll have to stop the video here.